What an extraordinary church. During this tremendous celebration, there's many acts of service to our community.
You're here. Where the comes? Where the comes?
Oh, they're looking down so we can see the fireworks.
Okay.
Thank you all very much. God bless you all.
Thank you, Governor Blood. Let's give him a round of applause. Let's cheer him on. We're glad to have him here.
Let's take these to the car.
To all those individuals, we're just so thankful to have them with us, to have Governor Blunt with us, to have Congressman Hulshoff, to have with us Honorable Sarah Steelman. They could be 100 different places here on the 4th of July, but they're here at I Love America, and we're thankful for that. We're also thankful for Springfield Underground. What a great company. They're the ones who provide the land for I Love America. We want to say a special thank you to Louis Griesmer and his family for their kindness to us. And so we want to share with you a little bit about what Springfield Underground is all about.
Welcome to the Springfield Underground. We're honored to provide a venue for I Love America, the area's premier Independence Day celebration. And we're glad you're here. But a lot happens here the other 364 days a year. Take a quick tour with us so you'll know more about Springfield Underground. Did you know Springfield Underground is one of the largest underground manufacturing, distribution, and storage complexes in the world, with more than 2.2 million square feet and 75 million cubic feet of space, and it's growing every day? Did you know Springfield Underground is like an active, working underground city? Springfield Underground and the businesses located here employ hundreds of people from the Springfield area, house thousands of products in a safe, high-security environment, and serve millions of customers by over-the-road trucking and by railcar train. Did you know Springfield Underground is not a natural cave? It is a working limestone mine, taking more than 800,000 tons of stone a year for construction and agricultural needs. Did you know, after the mining is completed, we construct streets, floors, walls, and offices to provide a comfortable, safe, and secure working environment? In the past year, we've added nearly 400,000 square feet of customized facilities, featuring the latest in climate control and security technology. All areas are designed to meet the unique needs of our customers, including technology companies, food companies, and manufacturers. Did you know Springfield Underground features more than 1 million square feet of cold storage used by some of the country's largest dairy, meat, and cheese companies? Temperatures can reach a really chilly 30 degrees below zero. Did you know Springfield Underground houses Precision Slicing, a state-of-the-art meat slicing and packaging facility serving grocery stores and restaurants all across the country? Did you know Springfield Underground also includes an expanding 500-acre commercial and retail development above ground, adding to the positive growth in Northeast Springfield? We're adding new streets, buildings, and parking facilities. We even harvest the hay off these fields in preparation for I Love America. Most of all, we want you to know at Springfield Underground, we're thankful for the variety of opportunities this piece of God's earth has provided us. We're proud to be a part of the growing Springfield community in the beautiful Missouri Ozarks. It's the best place to live in the best country in the world, the United States of America. We're glad to do our part in making I Love America a success. Happy Independence Day.
I get a good check on it.